Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to make an Italicus Negroni Bianco, and I will show you how to do that right after the ingredients. It's super easy to make, so stick around. You won't want to miss this one. The ingredients are 1 ounce of Italicus Liqueur, 1 ounce of London dry gin. We're going to use 1 ounce of dry vermouth. I'm using Dolan today. And I'll garnish with 3 green olives on a cocktail pick. All right, everybody, before I mix this cocktail, I wanted to mention something to everybody. I was looking at my YouTube analytics on my channel, and 72% of you are watching, but you're not subscribed, not commenting, not hitting like, or hitting the bell. So I would really appreciate it if you did those things. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell so that I'm in your notification feed. And the most important thing would be to comment, because when you comment, then I get to interact with you and it makes it more personal for me, and that's what I'm really looking for. So if you would do me a favor, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and comment, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alrighty, so I found Italicus by accident because I was looking for a bergamot liqueur to make a bergamot martini with, but I ran into this instead. Now this is made from bergamot lemons, not like Earl Grey tea. It's really floral and really nice. It's low ABV, it's 20%, and it's from Italy. Lovely bottle, it's beautiful. So let's show you what this Negroni is all about. We're gonna have 1 ounce of Italicus, brand new bottle. We're gonna have 1 ounce of Orage dry gin. And I'm just using that because that's what I have, but you could use a Tanqueray, you could use Brokers, that's really good in it. And then 1 ounce of Dolan dry vermouth, and I'm going to stir that up. Just want to chill this down really well. I usually stop and kind of flip the ice cubes around a little bit and then keep stirring. Get it really, really cold. And then let's get it into our glass here. Big ice cube in there. That looks nice. Then cocktail pick with, it's a Surfside Sips cocktail pick with some little olives on it. Shout out to Andrew over at Surfside Sips. He's been super supportive to me, and maybe at some point he'll agree to do a little video with me where I go visit him. So I hope he does. So this is the Italicus Negroni Bianco. Alrighty, I'm gonna taste it for you now. I'm gonna put this down in here. Let's see. I really love to drink this drink in the evening, like on a hot summer day. It's really good for that. So, like I said, or maybe I didn't say, this is citrusy. It smells like an Italian lemon tree grove, which is really lovely for me. It's really light and crisp. Negronis by nature are very strong, but because the Italicus is fairly sweet, it makes the Negroni very easy to drink, well balanced, but it's not overly sweet, and it's got that great mouthfeel, and it tastes maybe a little bit like Sprite, though I haven't had Sprite in forever. But if you have never really liked a Negroni or never tasted a Negroni before, this is a really great way to get started because it's not super, super potent tasting. I did have to order that Italicus Liqueur bottle out of state because I couldn't get it in my state, but it's totally worth the buy. It's totally worth the search. I'm on my 2nd bottle. So that's it for me today. Go check out the Italicus website because that's where I got the recipe for this. They have some really nice information on their website. Put information in the comments down there if you know what this liqueur is. If you've never tried it before, I would love to hear about it. Join me next week. I'm gonna get you ready for National Gin Day. So we'll see. Hang in there. See you next week. Be well.